So working lamp, which is nice. Desk. This is the bed. One thing to be said, it is very dark in here, so it does, you know, like give a dark vibe, which I don't like. I do have the drapes open. It's still not really helping. There's a TV, couch. I've yet to turn on the TV to see what's actually happening there. There is this drape system. Very hard to open. Okay. And you actually have a sitting area out here, which is actually, to me, the nicest part. There is a light if you want to sit up here at night. Personally, you would not want to attract the mosquitoes. So, and everyone has one. Really, it's very dirty. Yeah, I'd say this is like 1/2 decent. And as you can see, this is the switch. So you can sit up there in the night. Again, wouldn't suggest with the light on. It does come with couple drawers. I didn't go through any of the drawers, maybe surprises. Usually there's a Bible. Trinidad and Tobago is a very religious island, so I'm interested to see. And sorry, this is just my suitcase. It does come with a phone. Sorry, it's very religious, so I'm expecting a Bible or two. I think I found them. Oh, wow. Nope. There are just a few residential phone books, business, and yeah, that's about it. Nothing too fancy. I'm surprised they still have phone books. Not really, actually. But yeah, this is my little room. I'm now going to call on the couple of people I met. We are going for dinner and drinks downstairs.